for the last couple of days, even maybe like around 3 weeks. It's too hot and very humid too. While I'm driving on the freeway, this is what I got, 95 degrees. No matter what I'm doing, no matter I adjust my thermostat to the coolest, I cannot get the temperature that cools me down because it's too hot. And one thing come up in my mind. I forgot to do something. Here's the culprit, cabin air filter. And this time, my friends, I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin air filter. Here's the simple tutorial how to replace your cabin air filter. Because every day is very hot today, and I found out I cannot adjust anymore on my air conditioning in the car. So it happened that I check this car. It has a cabin filter, which is, oh no, it's located at the back of this glove box. So in order for you to access the air filter in the back side, what you're gonna do is just remove this like it acts like a hinge. Push this and the side, you know, this one here, this is just like a stopper here, and this is the holder, or just act like a hinge. And then on the other side too, just pull this, press, like pushing this in. There you go, that's the filter. But it's really dirty, so it's been a while. I didn't change it, more than 6 months probably. When I went to the desert area, got a little bit of dirt. So right now I have to pull this out. Very simple. Pull this out. It's really dirty. So I didn't see a clip. I don't know why there's no clip here. And the flow. And I have to make it sure the flow, the arrows here, I have to make it sure that's matched there. And voila, that's all you're gonna need. Just push this filter and we are good already. It's very hard if you just holding one, and that's a simple way to put and replace the filter, cabin filter. And when you are done, because I didn't see any filter cover here, I cannot do anything because there's no filter cover. I have to put this back and make sure you have to pull this out. You see this? This is what I'm saying. That acts like a hinge, and just push it. Just push it. See, very simple. And then push it back. And as soon as you hear the snap, this one here, it will lock itself, and you're good. Air filter replacement is done. And this will help out, because dirty filter, it will not produce a lot of air. So since the air filter has been changed, it's gonna be a little bit colder, because there's no more losses of air that's going out on that filter. All right, filter replacement is easy. That's all I can share for you. Hope you guys like it. This is the the simple way. Sometimes it just remove it, just put it back. Air filter or cabin air filter replacement is done. So the simple way, push this on the side one by one, or if somebody or if you don't care taking a video of it, you can push this with your both hand, one ear, and this one here, your other side, and push it in so that the lock will just be removed. It's only like it only acts like a stopper. Air filter replacement, the cabin filter. And I found out most of the car that is built after 2000, it has a cabin filter. So thank you again, my friends. My friends, as soon as I replace my cabin air filter, big change in the temperature inside the car. So check it out on yours. Maybe you need to replace too. This is a simple way how to replace the cabin air filter. Thank you everyone for watching.